Hi, this is the initial post for Module 7, Chapter 6. The elements in Chapter 6 were many, and some of them, I think we could all say we probably use some of them more than others when we're planning. But the key is that teachers consider a variety of these strategies to incorporate so that we're not always stagnant using the same thing over and over. Students easily get bored, and this helps to keep them engaged and causes them to build on previous learning and move to higher levels of thinking. The strategies that were discussed by Marzano are all very good, but the only way that there's going to be an increase in the student's ability to think and use this information is if the learning is continual and students are able to go back and review their past learning, make corrections, make improvements, and move forward. This allows students to sort of monitor their own progress, and they can take ownership of their movements, or if they're behind. Element 15 incorporates culturally responsive teaching, in that students are asked to preview what the new content is in order to activate their prior knowledge, and students can connect the new information to what they've already learned or already experienced. Teachers may ask them to engage in quick pre-learning activities, or maybe make predictions about what's to come. Element 16 involves the teacher pointing out to students what's critical for them to know throughout the lesson, and she may have, or he may have, some certain signals that she does, raising her hand or making a point to say this is critical that you know this, or changing the tone of her voice. Element 17 takes students back to what has been learned before for review, before moving on, because many times what is coming builds on previous learning, so there needs to be a review and a connection there. Element 18 provides students with a chance to go back and correct what they missed previously in past learning. So if students have that academic notebook that this is referring to, they can go back and find evidences of past learning that connects to what they are learning and make corrections or additions or changes based on what they've learned. Teacher can go around, revisit it with them, and let them know, yes, you're doing well, this is right now, or you're on the right track, but keep working on it, you're close, but you're not quite there. Or okay, we have more work to do. Element 19 asks students to reflect on their learning in a variety of ways. So reflection, could be an exit ticket, could be journals, but some type of reflection so that students are taking that ownership of what they know and what they maybe still need to know. Element 20 is beneficial when students are given homework, but it should be for the sake of either previewing new content. Maybe they're going to watch a video that helps to spark interest. Maybe they need to deepen the knowledge that they received in class, or increase their speed and fluency, maybe need more accuracy, and it also may be a time for them to just have a reflection time with their parents, but it shouldn't be something that parents can do for them. It should be a time where the parents are connecting to what they're doing in class. Homework should be purposeful, not just for something to do. Element 21 leads students to making inferences. 22 engages students in collaboration centered around the content. These are all great strategies, but a teacher's goal should be to use a variety of them, integrating new knowledge while revisiting old knowledge, and bringing in past experiences, allowing them to review and make changes or show that they have learned something that they didn't learn previously.